Hey guys, Sam here from keycommerce.com. In this video, you're going to learn how Google Shopping ads work. You'll also learn what you need to do to set them up. Learning how Google Shopping works, how the algorithm works, and how to set them up is critical to generating more sales and more profits from your campaigns. Let's get into it. First, what is Google Shopping? Here you have the Google search results. At the bottom, you have regular Google search ads, the text ads. But at the top here, you have Google Shopping ads. Shopping ads show the name of the product, the price, a product image, and even reviews too. When a shopper clicks the ad, they go directly to the store's product page to purchase. At this point, they can purchase the product. Google designs this in a really smart way. When a customer clicks one of your shopping ads, they already have a pretty good idea of what your product is. This gives them a higher chance of buying. This is why the conversion rates that we see for Google Shopping campaigns are generally higher than other campaigns we run for e-commerce stores. Google determines which stores get to show their ads and in which position by running the Google auction. Higher positions get more traffic, and so as an advertiser, that's where you want to be. But of course, those positions are more expensive. Each auction goes like this. A shopper makes a search. If Google believes that your products are relevant to that search, it enters your products in that auction. The highest amount that you've told Google that you're willing to pay per click is your bid. That bid is then adjusted based on your product's relevance to the search and how shoppers have previously acted when interacting with this product and to a lesser extent, your store in the past. You're then given a position and your ad is shown. Now, that's a very simple description of what happens in a Google auction, and I've skipped some of the more advanced details. But the key here is to understand this important concept. The relevancy and history of previous shopper interactions has a significant impact on the position and results. Many seasoned marketers know this, but fail to focus on it as a core part of their strategy. You're going to learn how to take advantage of this and get the most out of your ad spend. Google rewards advertisers who it thinks will give their shoppers the best buying experience. This is because Google wants its users to keep clicking ads. The system is engineered for this, and we want our setup to make the most of this too. Now let's talk about the Google Shopping algorithm for learning about your shopping audience. This is one of the most powerful parts of Google Ads overall. Google tracks millions of data points across its billions of users. And all that data means they can analyze and predict who your best customers might be. Oftentimes before that user has even started searching for your products. For example, if your store does well with women aged 35 to 55 who prefer to eat organic food and have a high household income, Google will begin to show your ads to people who match that audience. This is a win for Google, who makes more money from that ad click, a win for the shopper who sees an ad most relevant to them, and a win for you, the advertiser, who's going to get more relevant traffic that's more likely to buy. There are several ways that we can set up our account and our campaigns to help Google narrow down our shopping audience that we'll cover in our videos. Okay, so let's talk about setting up Google Shopping ads. We're going to simplify it into the 4 necessary pieces that you need. Number 1, you need to have an e-commerce website. You should have this already. Stores often set up with e-commerce platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce. Shopify is by far the best of these platforms. I highly recommend it. If you don't have a Shopify account, I'll leave a link down below to go and set one up. Number 2, we need to have a product feed. We're going to set this up together, but a product feed has all the product data about all your products for your e-commerce store. We have a lot of videos on how to set up this product feed for your e-commerce store. It's part of our free Google Shopping course. I'll leave a link to that course down below so you can set up your product feed after this video. Number 3 is Google Merchant Center, which is now called Google Merchant Center Next. It's the platform you use to upload and verify your product feed. Here, you'll deal with all product disapprovals and any other issues that Google has with your product feed. And number 4 is our Google Ads account. Many store owners do get confused that they need 2 Google accounts, one for Google Ads and one to connect our products to. Think of Google Merchant Center Next as a gatekeeper that makes sure that your product data is all fit and at a high standard for Google Ads. Google Ads is then used to create the Google Shopping campaigns after it's made its way through the gatekeeper, Google Merchant Center. We're going to link these 2 platforms together to make sure the product data goes from Google Merchant Center Next over to Google Ads. Once that's done, we can create our Google Shopping campaigns and people will be able to see the product data in the Google Shopping ad product title, description, images, pricing, and anything else we want to add. Okay, that's how Google Shopping ads work and the setup you need to get them going. We have videos on every single part of setting up your Google Shopping ads. Each video requires a lot of time to go through all the different steps, so we've put them into a full free Google Shopping course. This course shows you everything you need to set up, optimize, and scale your shopping campaigns to over 100K per month. I'll leave a link to that course down below. Also, if you'd like my team and I to set up and optimize your Google Ads campaigns for you, we do this day in, day out for dozens of e-commerce stores. If you're already generating 20K per month in sales per month, book a time with my team and I down below, and we'd love to talk to you about how we would scale your e-commerce store with Google Ads, Facebook ads, and conversion rate optimization. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. Make sure to click here for the next video in the free course, and I'll see you there.